Okay, let's talk about algebra. So today we want to look at the basic algebra. Let's understand that algebra is the use of letters to represent numbers, meaning that we can use a letter to represent a number like 1. So we can use 2a to represent 2. We can use 3a to represent 3. So any letter without a number in front of it has a coefficient of 1. So the same way we add our numbers, subtract our numbers, multiply our numbers, and divide our normal numbers. It's the same thing we do with algebra. So can we begin? Yes, we can. So let's start. So now we have a plus a. How many a do we have there? We have 2a. So the answer is definitely 2a. Just like saying 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So a plus another a is 2a. Now let's go to subtraction. A minus a. You add a and you gave out a. What do you have left? Is 0. It's interesting, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. A times a. In this point, we're going to take one of the letter a and then count how many a's do we have multiplied. We have 1 and 2. So it's definitely raised to the power of 2. If it was up to 3, it would have been raised to the power of 3. If it was multiplied up to 4 times, it would have been raised to the power of 4. So you take one of the letters to represent one, all of the letters, and then count how many of the letters have been multiplied. Raise it to the power of the number of that letter. Okay, so we have a divided by a. Okay, so this can be written as a over a. How do we do this? Meaning the same way we divide 1 divided by 1, 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 3. Anything dividing itself is one whole number. So a divided by a is 1. I hope you've learned something today.